Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a chart breakdown on Euro USD. This is the pre-London Open, so you guys should focus starting from the beginning to of the video right up to the end of the video, so as to be able to catch something that you can actually apply in your own trading. Okay guys, you guys can clearly see that I am on the daily time frame. That's where I'm going to be starting my chart breakdown. Okay, on the left hand side we could see that we got a market structure shift, change of character, because we were on a bearish trend. Then we broke above the previous high, swing high, and made an expansion swing towards the upside. Based on that, we now went into a bullish trend. Okay, uh, what currently happened was that as we made an expansion towards the upside, we made a dealing range because we took both the swing high and both the swing low, and we made an expansion swing upward. So when we have a dealing range, our job is to divide our charts into two, and then we have our premium and our discount above 50%. This middle line is 50% of the range. Above 50%, it is our premium, and below 50% is our discount. Okay, our job is to mark up our key levels and then wait for price to actually retrace towards our key levels, which are found at our discount. Okay, now we could uh, we could clearly see that we got this internal bearish structure, right? We got this internal bearish structure, and within this internal bearish structure we could actually still have some trading opportunities within this internal bearish structure. Okay, in this internal bearish structure, right, we actually tap into our internal liquidity, right? After taking our external liquidity, our internal liquidity is that is this other block here. We came and tap in this other block with this bearish internal structure, and when we tap into this bullish into this bullish order block, we actually had a bearish dealing range before tapping into this bullish order block, and that bearish dealing range is actually where we are going to divide our chart into two again. That is our premium and discount. So right now price is already tapping, price has already tapped into our key level, and then the price has retraced towards our key level that is found at our premium within this bearish structure, right? Okay, this retracement profile is going to help us to actually look for sales towards 50% and sales, right, within this to continue selling lower, right, based on the logic that we are in a bearish trend. Okay, now that the market is in this bullish order block, bullish sorry, that is in this bearish order block, we are now going to go to the 4-hour time frame, right, and then look for a valid a valid narrative, right? We look for a valid narrative on a 4-hour time frame so as to trade, since we are actually with inside our daily key level, right? Okay, this candle that I'm mapping up is our candle in which we are gonna be trading. Okay, right now our job is going to be to trade this specific candle, right? Since we are candle traders, we trade specific candle. We don't just enter the market and then we try to trade every single candle we see. Okay, we got this candle, right? Okay, our job now, since we already got our manipulation of this range high within this candle, and our job is now to look for a distribution to continue selling to 50% and then opposing end of the range. Okay, now our job is to look for a 15-minute confirmation, that is the confirmation when trading CRT, which is our model number one. We look for a model number one setup at the 15-minute time frame, right? So if we didn't got our model number one, now our job is to wait for a model number one to form at a key time, so that we can be able to take our trades, right? That is our job as CRT traders. Okay, right now we are at 6:30.
I think we are 6:30 now. Our job is going to be to actually look for sales, right? Yes, we look for sales. So be patient, wait for the confirmation before you trade. Don't just trade without a confirmation. The confirmation is model number one. So I always say this: don't trade the last hour of the 1 a.m. candle. Don't trade the last hour of the of the 5 a.m. and the last hour of the 9 a.m. candle. So the best moment to trade, and that is the first 1 hour of the 1 a.m., 5 a.m., and 9 a.m. candle. Make sure you're writing this down. Those are the best times you can trade. So I even go as far as 1:30. That is the highest. Let's say if I'm trading the 1 a.m. candle, then I'll trade from 1 a.m. to 2:30 a.m. That is how I can actually get a high trade opportunity probability, right? Okay, right now I won't do anything. I won't do anything. I won't take any trade. I will just sit on my hands. The market isn't good right now. If we are having a good, we are not having our model number one yet, so we just have to sit on our hands, right? Okay, this is the end. If you have watched to this extent, you can subscribe and comment, and also like and share the video to all those who are actually struggling to trade CRC profitably. All right. Okay. Peace out.